Hi everyone, Benazir here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are making a makeup box. Don't you think they are very essential? Of course, they are to keep a lot of our accessories in place. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell and get notified when I upload new videos. Makeup box is made completely with the cardboard box. You can also see it as a recycling a cardboard box into a makeup box. Firstly, take the cardboard with the measurement as mentioned. Wrap the cardboard piece with the paper wrapper or color paper of your choice and start sticking the edges of it as shown with the help of a glue. It is acting as a drawer. This requires a button from which it can be pulled. So let us also make this with a cardboard and cover it up with the color paper. After all the edges are placed, it looks something like this. Adorable, right? Okay, let's move ahead. Now we are making the base of a makeup box on which all the stuff can be placed like shown. Repeat the process of measuring, wrapping and coloring, and make sure the base cardboard piece which you are taking is little bit thicker and stronger than the other so it can bear the weight of it. Is the base cardboard and the back and the side parting of it. Then place the drawer that was first made in middle as you can see here. To apply more glue on the sides of the parting so that it can hold properly and also give the proper look to the makeup box. While doing our makeup, we do mess up our makeup. So the first thing which requires for it is tissue paper. So with this makeup box, let's make a tissue paper holder. The cardboard pieces as per the measurement and make sure you cut this cutout carefully as shown so that it is easier to remove the tissue paper. Cover the drawer with the big piece as shown. Make sure you're leaving a little space between the drawer and the upper part so that you can easily open the drawer. This you need to stick the parts of a tissue paper holder in the side. As you can see, you have to leave this opening side uh, in the right part and then you have to place the other parts of it. As we all know, bangles play a huge role to enhance the beauty of an Indian woman. I'm also making a bangle space to keep along with this makeup box. Take the cardboard pieces as per the measurement shown and repeat the process of wrapping the box and make sure you're taking a little foldable part of a cardboard to cover the box. I have increased the size of this bangle to 21 inches. You can reduce this to 18 or 19. It can hold the 2 dozens of bangle easily. We should be mindful of the top covering as we need the foldable cardboard and stick it around like shown. To secure the top covering of the box, we required a tape and color paper to enhance the neatness of the beautiful box. Also cover the inner folding of the box with the same process which we did outside, so it will also be flexible and as well as look good. Make sure you're wrapping the inner part of a color paper with a lighter color or a plain color paper as I have done here. It will give you a royal look to your box. This is a makeup box which combines with many small drawers and boxes. Is the other part of makeup box, the drawers which are smaller compared to other drawer, and then repeat the process of measuring, pasting, sticking as you can see here. These small boxes also play a very important role in the makeup box as we can place our earrings, finger rings and many other stuff, smaller stuffs in it. If you're wondering where do these boxes get placed, then don't worry. Just follow the process and carry forward to the progress. Then comes something very important in the makeup box. Can you guys guess? Then pause the video, go down to the comment section and mention what it is. Don't cheat, guys. Then too, I'll say you the answer. That's an mirror. Clear the cardboard box and remove the axis and paste the color paper and stick the mirror on the cardboard piece, which is half circle as you can see. Make three small holes on the surface of a half circle and take three small stick like pieces which you may get it in the ice cream candy or lollipop and place it through like shown. I have used a small mirror. You can also use the bigger size mirror, but make sure it doesn't contain more weight in it. Now we come to a question how the mirror will be placed. You might be wondering, right? I'll show you something interesting here to place the mirror and use it when it's required. Cover the edges of a cardboard with glue and place the cardboard which is already measured and place the half circle which has a mirror right behind the shown cardboard. Adjust the gap as it can be rotatable and stick the glue on the middle stick which is attached with the cardboard of the mirror and rotate the cardboard. Now you can see how beautiful and convenient this is, right? Okay, then let's make the other partings of the makeup box. So we need to make and fix the other parts of the storage. Make sure you're leaving the enough space between the both partings as well as front space. It's a time to place the drawers that we had made before and cover it up with the cardboard of the same size. Make sure you're leaving enough space between the both drawers so it is convenient to you to remove it easily. Then comes the other side of the drawer. Repeat the process of measuring, pasting and sticking of the cardboard as shown. Place I'm making here for your earrings, studs and pins, safety pins and all those stuff, so it can be easily hanged in this area. Cut a foldable cardboard and repeat the process of measuring, pasting and wrapping the cardboard with the color paper. While placing this part, make sure you're leaving enough space behind this part and apply a glue below it so it will be fixed in a particular place. To cover this space, I am using here sponge. I am taking 6 pieces of sponge and cutting it into a cylindrical shape so it is round while making a roll of it. I have used a canvas paper. You can also use a thick paper to cover the sponge and make a roll, and you can also use a glue gun instead of a normal glue to wrap this sponge with the paper. This paper roll one on another in this place with the help of a glue or glue gun. This looks so pretty and adorable, right? For the left side of the makeup box, you need to cut the cardboard as per the measurement mentioned above and cover the sides of the makeup box as shown. Final touches of the makeup box, stick some buttons on the drawers and cover it up with the cardboard piece. Now you can see this makeup box is completely ready. This is very convenient and affordable as well. You can keep it for yourself or you can also gift it to someone else, as I had gifted this to my dear friend Geeta on her birthday. The script for this video is written by Angman Banu. Please go show her some love and support on her Insta ID. A link will be in the description box. Hope you all like my efforts in the video. I'll try to be more constant on the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell for further updates. Thanks for watching.